All right, guys, so I'm still working on this, but we got it at an angle. I like that. Now we just need like another, maybe a little longer bar for the straight back, and this would look sick at night. But these bars work great, so now we just need one more bar. I know you guys can't see the color. The color looks so much nicer than what it really is. Like, it's actually absolutely stunning. So I love it, guys. Hello, my friends, and welcome back. So today we're checking out these Wi-Fi Symphony lights. Color temperature, mobile control, voice control, remote control, and timing mode. Works with Alexa and Google Assistant. So let's go ahead and show you guys what you get. Nice little manual, a large remote. Make sure you pull this plastic piece out so your remote actually works. You have some controls on the actual hub itself. You have two tripods, mini tripods for the lights. Alright guys, so it's simple. You connect these right in here. There's going to be arrow to arrow. So it's going to show you guys a little arrow on each one. So make sure you do that on each one. Don't plug it in if it doesn't show the arrow. You'll line the arrow up and all go right in. It should easily go right in. This is USB powered. You take this plug it right in here, and you can take this and plug it into any USB port, even a power bank. Make sure you test out the lights before you go and set them up. So you plug it in here. Once you know it's got power, you can go over here, and as we see, they're both lit up. You got different modes, different setups. Go ahead and turn off some lights for y'all so you guys can check that out. Ooh, that is nice colors. Wow. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick up the colors, but they are beautiful. Absolutely stunning. So they can stand upright like that. You can also have them upright like that. And then you can have them laying down like this as well. So you can use the wire kind of as support. Or you can use them on the tripods that they provide you with. So that's just one mode. This is another mode. We'll show you a couple modes before we finally set them up. So there's another mode. Another mode. Another mode. And it looks like, let's see here. So yeah, you can drop to different colors as well. All these are different colors. So there's a lot of shades of colors and a lot of different modes that you can go through. I mean, these are all just different modes, my friends. Different color combinations. You can have it rotating upward or over, you know, there's tons of things you guys can do with this. So make sure you check out the pamphlet, and you guys can download the app and go with that. Let's go ahead. We're going to set these up. All right, guys, so we got it underneath our monitor. As you guys can see, we love RGB and LED lights. So we got them under here. I now just want to set it up a little better. So I don't know if they look better spaced apart or if they look better up against each other. So I'm trying to decide what looks the best, or at an angle. So we got one kind of facing at an angle, and if we put the other one at an angle as well, let's see how that would look. Like that. Wonder how that would, I don't know. I think they kind of look better if we had them in the center, but I'm not quite sure. So we're still customizing our setup here, but guys, I love them. You know, their work underneath here is perfect, and then at nighttime when everything's off, it's just gonna look phenomenal. And guys, for the remote, you have all these different settings. We'll do an updated video once we get everything set up better. And also guys, check out the manual. You can download their app and you can set it up to your app and then control it with your phone. For me, I'm old school. I like to manually control stuff. So, you know, check out your manual and see you guys for the next one. All right guys, so I'm still working on this, but we got it at an angle. I like that. Now we just need like another, maybe a little longer bar for the straight back, and this would look sick at night. But these bars work great, so now we just need one more bar. I know you guys can't see the color. The color looks so much nicer than what it really is. Like, it's actually absolutely stunning. So I love it, guys.